Welcome to WTF.Reydio. I'm Sean, KX7, WTF. Got your ticket? Don't have a radio yet? Maybe you're just too far away from a repeater you still can't quite get to yet? Well, today we're going to show you how to turn your phone into a ham radio. Let's get to it. Just so we're clear, this is for Android users, not iOS. That's coming soon.
Okay, so first things first. You need to get registered with AllStar, so go to allstarlink.org or just Google AllStarLink, either one. And when we get here, we're going to click the sign in or log in, sign up. Then from here, we're going to click sign up. And read through all this. Basically, it just says that you must be an amateur radio operator with a current license. They will send you an email link, so you're going to have to verify your email address. Just scroll all the way to the bottom. You might want to read through all of that, but scroll all the way to the bottom and begin right. Okay, when we come to this page, you'll just fill out your call sign, name, address. Make sure you choose a password, email. I doubt they'll call you, but just go ahead and fill it in anyways. And then make sure you're not a robot. You can uncheck these if you want to. They're not need. Or you can uncheck this one. But you make sure read the terms of use. And then click submit.
Don't forget to click the link in your email. Once your call sign and email have been verified, we'll send you an email going, welcome to the AllStarLink community. In that email, they're going to ask you to donate to the 501c3. This isn't necessary. You don't need to do it. It's just to help them run some stuff in the background and keep the servers running. Also in that email is going to be a bunch of technical stuff. We don't need to worry about that for this video. But for now, let's get that app on our phone. Okay, so we're going to go to the Play Store, search DVSwitch Mobile. There you go. Go ahead and install it. Open it up. Go ahead and allow it to run in the background. Obviously, you want it to do audio. Go ahead and allow it to use your location. Okay, so from here, you need to go more. AllStarLink, WT setup. You're going to enter your call sign and your password that you already did with AllStar. All right, once you got your call sign, your password in, notice that red dot right there. You're going to hit update token. Login success, you hit OK, and notice that red went to green. Okay, also from right here, we can go over volume level, so your receive level. That's how you change the volume for you. This is your mic level, so transmit level, that's your mic gain. I hit save. From here back to the screen, we're going to hit more again. AllStarLink. This time we're going to use enter WT mode. And then we're going to hit register. Alright, for this, I'm just going to use a local node to me. Not one of mine, but an actual repeater node. So we're going to go for it. Remember, look up the nodes closer to you or a node that you want to log into. This is just one I use. Okay, so once you get your node number in, we're going to hit connect. Little chirp. Now it's connected.
Eight, 4, 5, 7, 2.
And now you're in. So, in order to talk, you're going to hold the PTT button down, push to talk, release it when you're done talking, so you can hear. We're going to do a real quick test on this. KX7 WTF radio check. And there you go, that's how you're in. So when you're ready to disconnect from the node, hit hang up, and you're now disconnected. Type in another node you want to go to and repeat the process. Using AllStar is just one way to turn your phone into a ham radio. Hope this helps you in your venture in the hobby. If you like this video, click the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. If you have any critiques about this video or anything else, or you have ideas you want me to do, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Till next time, catch you on there. 73 for now.